How to use AI in Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI in Canva. First you want to make sure you're logged in. Then you want to go to the top here, click on create a design and just select the dog. Now as you see here, there is this little plus sign and you can click here on Magic Write. Here you can use the AI to generate everything you want. Let's say for example, we want to find the top 5 restaurants. Top 5 Greek restaurants in Italy. You want to click on enter, just wait. And as you see, it gives you the top 5 Greek restaurants in Italy. Let's try another one. So again, you want to just click on the plus, click on Magic Write. 5 ideas to become richer. And as you can see here, it gives you 5 ideas to become richer. Well, that is one way how you can use AI. There is another way. We want to go back to the home screen. And as you might know, you can also click on custom size. I'll go for 1080 by 1080. Click on create a new design. And then you want to go to the menu on the left, click on apps. And just scroll down so you can find here the text to picture. And then you want to go here and you just want to write down what you want to see. I want to see a couple standing in the rain. Click on enter and there you have it. You have couples standing in the rain. You can just click on the image and as you can see, it will be put down into your frame. You can select even more. And with this, I am trying to find something suitable. So let's say we want to see Cupid shooting hearts. We can create again. And as you can see, it gives you a few examples. Let's say you're not satisfied with the results. You can click on create again. And here you have other results. Let's say we're satisfied with this one. Just click and drag. You can replace pictures or you can just add it here. You can reshape the images, you can drag them, you can edit the picture, and you can use AI to create everything that you want. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.